I am super excited for today's video. Today we are doing a review of the brand new, bigger and brighter pod light from Diode Dynamics. Now, a while ago, I did a review of the first generation pod light that they had. This one is bigger. It is about 70% brighter than their previous one. They do have where it flashes whenever you hit the brakes, so it grabs that attention of the person behind you. If you're looking for an install video, I did a install video on the first pod light that I did a test on, so I'll link that in the description. Of course, this product itself will be linked in the description, and if you use the code that I have, you will get free shipping with no minimum. I believe right now, without a referral, you would pay shipping on anything under $200. But with my code, the link that I'll provide you for this, it gets you free shipping, which is absolutely fantastic, saves you money, and it helps this channel out a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into what the pod light looked like before. We'll do like a little comparison in the daytime and then in nighttime, so you can really see the difference. But I'm super excited for this. Diode Dynamics has been a long-term sponsor of this channel, and I'm super excited to try this out and show you guys why it's worth upgrading to this new trailer hitch pod light from Diode Dynamics. So without further ado, let's get to it. So taking a look at the old trailer hitch pod light, which is this one, and then the brand new one, side by side, they look pretty much identical. There's a few differences, like this one has the D on it, this one doesn't. The screws are a little different on them, but the inside, I'm assuming, is going to look the same. Yep, pretty much looks the same. Now the new one should be about 70% brighter, but as far as comparing them side by side, they look almost identical with just a few small changes. So we'll go ahead and put the new one in and test it out. The new Diode Dynamics trailer hitch pod light has now been installed. So let's go ahead and take a look and compare it to what it looked like before and what it looks like now that it's about 70% brighter. All right, so we'll go ahead and unlock the truck. So we can see it is brighter in person. We'll go ahead and lock it again, unlock it, have that nice flash. And let's go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see how bright that light is. So here is how bright it is with just like the regular headlights on. It is significantly brighter than the older one from what I can tell already in person. So yeah, overall, I would say this is noticeably brighter. It's got that nice glow to it with just the running lights on. I like that it gives you that flicker whenever you hit the third, like whenever you're slowing down, it'll flash for you to get the attention of the person behind you. It is now exactly sunset. We'll go ahead and take a look at what this light looks like. Go ahead and unlock it. You can see it strobes, and then we'll go ahead and lock it again. The running lights are now on, so we can see this is what it looks like. We'll get a close-up shot here. It's nice and bright and noticeable. We'll get a little further away. So it's definitely something that you can notice. I do think it is definitely brighter than the previous generation, But overall it looks great. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the backup light looks like at sunset. It is now in the middle of the night, so we'll go ahead and see. That lights up real bright. We'll go ahead and lock it. And here we have just the headlights on at nighttime. It produces a nice glow. And here we have, you can kind of see how much light it produces right here. We aren't in a bright parking lot, so it is still fairly bright outside, but this does create a significant amount more light than just your regular backup lights. Let's talk final thoughts. What do I think about this new LED upgraded, that's bigger, brighter, 70% brighter about than their previous one? I love their first generation one. I think the second generation one is even better. It is noticeable in person as well as nighttime. It is brighter. It definitely will get the attention of someone behind you and will protect you more than a new Tacoma that doesn't have one of these on getting rear-ended by that person. It does grab your attention. I have been in a car following this one just to kind of see how much it actually grabs my attention, and it works. It does work really well for getting the attention, and it adds a nice glow and adds another little brake light, because you can never have enough lights on your truck. If you know me, you know I have ditch lights and fog lights and lights in the grill, and I'm just a big fan of lighting, and certainly with even the trailer hitch pod lights, I'm a big fan of them. And of course, Diode Dynamics, they have been a longtime sponsor for this channel. I've done multiple products of theirs. I think they are a very high quality company. Their products could possibly be the best out there. I certainly am a big fan of their company. So whenever I had the opportunity to do a review on this pod light, I had to do it. So if you're thinking about getting the pod light, it's super easy to install. You don't need to take it to a shop and pay, $100, $150 for someone to do it. This is easy even for people that don't have the skill set to install stuff. Because I am that person. I am not handy at all whatsoever. But I was able to install this. I do have a video, as mentioned earlier, where their first generation, when I did a review on it, it was also an install video. So if you're looking for how to install it, feel free to watch that video. I will have it in the link of the description of this video. So overall, do I think it's worth it? Yes. Is it worth the price? Yes. It's good quality, lifetime warranty. It will last probably as long, if not longer, than the truck will. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.